Oh, tignan nyo mga kawild, yung kalsada naging puti na kasi sa snow. Hindi na siya masyadong nag-i-snow, kunti na lang yung pouring snow niya, pero ayan na, oh, puti na yung kalsada. Oh my god, it's not really cold but it's wet, yung basa. Ayan, oh, yung snow, oh. Puti na lahat, pati yung mga nakaparking na kotse, yung kung sa bagay melting snow lang siya, melting snow. So okay, I'm waiting for my tram. Tram is like MRT or LRT. So okay, this is the first snow of December. Look at the tree, the leaves is first snow of December. Thank you.